Hello and welcome, Peter here. Guys, so we've got a Sharp TV, okay? Let me switch it on. The customer brought it in for no picture. Okay, I've tested out and it has no picture for real. I thought it will switch on itself, but guess what? It didn't. No backlight. Now it's a backlight, no picture. Okay, no backlight, just picture. I'll open it and we can check what's wrong with it, okay? Maybe mainboard, maybe LVDS signal, we will see. We've got the first problem. I don't know if that's a customer or somebody before me. They didn't have proper screwdriver. I was using PH2, so, you know, fitted for the purpose. Whereas somebody was using smaller screwdriver, I'd say, or different kind. And one screw is butchered on the TV hanger. I can turn it, yes, but I can't take it out, no way. Inside is just crushed, probably everything, yes, so let me continue. Okay, let's start the party. So, what we need now is we need to disconnect one part of the cough signal and see if picture will come back. I don't have a connector to the power, so I can't use the remote. I need to fix that because that will be annoying. Okay, so I've took the sensor out from the enclosure. And we get a Sharp. So we know that there is a one line. We've seen the line, yes? I'll check the other side as well. Let's give it a bit of time. So we had picture screen, you know, split it into two sections, and one was a good section with this one line, and second was just completely off. Yes, now let's see what will be this time. Yes. Okay, so on this side we have no line as we had before with an issue, so this looks better. So I'll try to cut off the signal, okay, in one of those two cough connectors, I mean those LVDS connectors, okay? So I will cut off and we will see if we've got a picture back. But it will take me some time, so I'll pause it and I will show you the outcome. Okay, so we've got the TV back on. no signal, yes. Now there are small lines, free lines, small free lines, and those lines, yes, okay, so there are 4 lines, 3 like I'm showing the finger, and 1 more below them. So probably these lines are a cause for the no picture, and by cutting off the signal, you know, on the LVDS, we were able to fix it. Unfortunately, customer will have to accept it this way, or it's, you know, like going over there, removing all display and risking it. I'd say it's too high risk, and it's, you know, like customer won't pay for it. Yes, so I can say to the customer that it's a, let's say, £30 fix, and he can have it the way it is. Or if customer is not happy, then I can take it off, and you know, it won't work. Yes, still will be repair attempt fee. But I'd say, you know, you can still use it. Those lines are barely visible, and they are not disturbing in watching the picture. And I would really not spend time and go extra mile, open and everything, risking this TV, because that can cause more harm than good. So guys, video for 7 minutes, yeah? TV is fixed. I've spent on it maybe, let's say, 15 minutes, 20 minutes total. I need to put it back, let's say up to half an hour. I won't probably half an hour, but let's say half an hour. But yeah, it's worth. Yes, it's worth. So total, let's say I'll spend, because I need to post a video as well after that, and I need to speak to the customer and everything. Yes, so yeah, but customer should be happy with it. That's it, guys. I don't know if I can tell you anything more about it. Just cutting off lines of the LVDS connector, second one, and you get a working TV back. Yes, so that's it in this video. Hope it's a value for you, so hit that like button if possible, or subscribe, and see you in the next video. If possible, let's fix them all. Take care. Bye bye.